Hello and welcome to the final help video in this series. It's to help you do the brackets online exercises levels 9 and 10, in which there are a mixture of questions, and here are some examples. So here we have 16 outside the brackets, and that 16 has to multiply the 5a and the negative 0.5 over there. So as usual, I've drawn on the red arrows to remind me what to do. So 16 times 5a is 80a, and then if we multiply that negative 0.5 or negative a half by the 16, we will get negative 8, because half of 16 is 8. So negative 8. So 80a minus 8 is the answer to that particular type of question. Okay, here we have a pair of brackets that need multiplying together on the right. So without further ado, I'll go on and draw our friendly clown's face with the two eyebrows, the nose and the mouth, to remind me of the 4 multiplications that I need to do. I'll leave the 5p squared as it is at the moment, and then multiply out those two brackets. So the 2p times the p there will give me 2p squared. Multiplying along the nose, the negative 3 multiplied by the p will give us negative 3p, and then I have plus 2p from the mouth, and from the right eyebrow I have negative 3. So now collecting the like terms, I've got two terms containing p squared, so I have 7p squared altogether. I have minus 3p, add on 2p, which will give us a minus p, and then a minus 3 at the end. So the whole answer is what you would type in using the little button to help you do the squared sign. Alright then, I can see a clown's face coming up on the left with this pair of brackets here, so I'll draw that on first, and then I have that second bracket to contend with. Okay, multiplying along the left eyebrow, 2c times 3c is 6c squared. The nose gives me 3c, the mouth gives me minus 4c, and the right eyebrow minus 2. So now everything in that brackets is taken away or subtracted. So we take away the 4c, but then when we take away the minus 1, they cancel each other out and it becomes plus 1. So taking away negative 1 is the same as adding 1. Now collecting together the like terms, I have 6c squared. Altogether, I have 3c, take away 4c, take away another 4c, so that'll give me minus 5c altogether, and then minus 2 add 1 is the same as minus 1. So that's the answer to that question. Whoa, now the biggie, the big time. We have 3 pairs of brackets, and the terms inside those brackets are being multiplied together. So let's take this slowly. Let's just deal with the second 2 pairs of brackets first and multiply those out using the clown's face. So I'll draw on the marks, the arrows telling us where to multiply, and then inside a set of brackets I'll write down what that multiplication gives us. So the mouth is minus 2x, and then the right eyebrow is negative 2 there. Now, everything inside that second bracket needs multiplying by the term in the first bracket. But before we do that, I'll just collect up the like terms in the second bracket to make it a little simpler. And then I've got to remember to multiply everything in that second bracket by the 2x. So that's 1 3 multiplications that need to be done there. And then everything needs to be multiplied by the 5. So there are 3 multiplications that need to be done there. Now, I'm not quite sure what that is. It's not a clown's face. It's more like a crab's claw. So here we go. Starting off multiplying by everything by 2x. First of all, we get 2x cubed. Then minus 2x squared. And then minus 4x. Then multiplying by the 5, we have 5x squared. And then a minus 5x, and then minus 10. Now, collecting together the like terms, there's only one term in x cubed, so we'll write that first. And then collecting together the terms in x squared, we have a minus 2 and a plus 5, that gives us plus 3x squared. Then the x's, minus 4x, minus 5x altogether is minus 9x. And then finally, the minus 10 at the end. Okay, so you should now be able to do levels 9 and 10. Keep clicking that check button regularly to see if you're getting the questions right. And if you aren't, do your corrections and then press the check button again. There are plenty more free activities that you can do on the Transom website to help you practice your algebra and other aspects of mathematics. So enjoy, and don't forget, every day's a school day. Bye.
You can find Transom Mathematics at www.transom.org, where you're welcome to use all of the activities absolutely free, or jump in with both feet and become a Transom subscriber.